These are 7 mind-blowing ways you can create a retirement plan in 2024 to achieve financial freedom. Hey there, future financial wizards. Have you ever stopped to think about what your retirement will look like in 2024? Today, we're diving into the world of financial planning to create a retirement plan that will lead us to financial freedom by 2024. Creating a retirement plan so to attain financial freedom in 2024. Well, planning for retirement is essential for achieving financial freedom and ensuring a comfortable and secure future. This guide will walk you through the steps to create a comprehensive retirement plan for 2024, helping you set goals, save effectively, invest wisely, and prepare for the retirement lifestyle you desire. Step 1. Set your retirement goals. 1.1. Determine your retirement age. Choose a target retirement age. Decide when you want to retire. This could be based on personal preference, career goals, or financial readiness. Consider life expectancy. Take into account your health, family history, and advances in healthcare to estimate your lifespan. 1.2. Estimate your retirement expenses. Basic living expenses. Calculate costs for housing, food, utilities, transportation, and healthcare. Lifestyle expenses. Consider travel, hobbies, entertainment, and other discretionary spending. Inflation. Account for inflation by increasing your estimated expenses by an average annual inflation rate, e.g. 2 to 3%. 1.3. Define your retirement income sources. Social Security. Estimate your Social Security benefits using the Social Security Administration's online calculator. Pensions. Include any pension income you may receive from previous employers. Investments. Consider income from retirement accounts, e.g. 401k, IRA, dividends, interest, and rental properties. Part-time work. If you plan to work part-time in retirement, estimate your potential earnings. Step 2. Assess your current financial situation. 2.1. Calculate your net worth assets. List your assets, including savings accounts, investments, real estate, and personal property. Liabilities. List your liabilities, including mortgages, loans, credit card debt, and other obligations. Net worth. Subtract your liabilities from your assets to determine your net worth. 2.2. Review your current savings and investments, retirement accounts. Review the balances in your 401k, IRA, and other retirement accounts. Other investments. Assess the value of your non-retirement investments, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Savings rate. Evaluate how much you are currently saving each month and determine if adjustments are needed. Step 3. Develop a savings strategy. 3.1. Calculate your retirement savings goal. Future value. Use a retirement calculator to determine how much you need to save to reach your retirement goals. Gap analysis. Compare your current savings and projected income to your retirement expenses to identify any shortfall. 3.2. Increase your savings rate. Automatic contributions. Set up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts to ensure consistent saving. Employer matching. Maximize contributions to your employer-sponsored retirement plan to take full advantage of any matching contributions. Catch-up contributions. If you are 50 or older, take advantage of catch-up contributions to boost your savings. 3.3. Reduce expenses and increase income. Budgeting. Create a budget to track your expenses and identify areas where you can cut costs. Side hustles. Consider starting a side hustle or part-time job to increase your income and accelerate your savings. Step 4. Invest wisely for retirement. 4.1. Diversify your investment portfolio. Asset allocation. Determine the appropriate mix of stocks, bonds, and other assets based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. Rebalancing. Regularly rebalance your portfolio to maintain your desired asset allocation. 4.2. Choose the right investment accounts. Tax-advantaged accounts. Maximize contributions to tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks, IRAs, and HSAs. Taxable accounts. Use taxable accounts for additional savings once you've maxed out your tax-advantaged options. 4.3. Consider investment strategies. Growth investments. Focus on growth investments, e.g. stocks, mutual funds, ETFs, if you have a longer time horizon. Income investments. Include income-generating investments, e.g. bonds, dividend-paying stocks, as you approach retirement to provide a steady income stream. 4.4. Monitor and adjust your investments performance review. Regularly review the performance of your investments and make adjustments as needed. Market conditions. Stay informed about market conditions and economic trends that could impact your investments. Step 5. Plan for healthcare and long-term care. 5.1. Understand your healthcare options. Medicare. Learn about Medicare coverage, eligibility, and enrollment periods. Supplemental insurance. Consider purchasing supplemental insurance, e.g., Medigap, to cover costs not covered by Medicare. Healthcare savings. Continue contributing to an HSA if you have a high-deductible health plan. 5.2. Plan for long-term care insurance. Consider long-term care insurance to cover the costs of assisted living, nursing homes, or in-home care. Savings. Set aside funds specifically for long-term care expenses. Step 6. Create an estate plan. 6.1. Draft essential legal documents. Will. Create a will to outline how your assets will be distributed upon your death. Trust. Consider setting up a trust to manage your assets and provide for your beneficiaries. Power of attorney. Designate a power of attorney to make financial and healthcare decisions if you become incapacitated. 6.2. Review beneficiary designations. Retirement accounts. Ensure that your retirement account beneficiaries are up to date. Insurance policies. Review the beneficiaries on your life insurance policies. Other accounts. Check the beneficiaries on your bank accounts, investment accounts, and any other financial accounts. Step 7. Prepare for your retirement lifestyle. 7.1. Visualize your retirement lifestyle goals. Think about how you want to spend your retirement years, e.g., travel, hobbies, volunteer work. Location. Decide where you want to live in retirement, e.g., current home, new city, downsizing. 7.2. Stay active and engaged. Physical activity. Plan for regular exercise to maintain your health and vitality. Social connections. Stay connected with family and friends to foster a strong support network. Mental stimulation. Engage in activities that challenge your mind and keep you mentally sharp. Concluding this video, we say that creating a retirement plan for financial freedom in 2024 and beyond involves setting clear goals, assessing your current financial situation, developing a saving strategy, investing wisely, planning for healthcare and long-term care, creating an estate plan, and preparing for your desired retirement time and lifestyle. By following these steps, you can build a solid foundation for a secure and fulfilling retirement. Remember, the key to a successful retirement plan is starting early, staying disciplined, and regularly reviewing and adjusting your plan as needed. If you find this video valuable, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more wealth-building tips and tricks. Also, check out any of these 2 videos on financial independence and wealth creation, and watch one of them to stay on top of your game. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.